Good evening. Today I am going to teach you the factor theorem, remainder theorem problems. In my last class, I have already taught you remainder theorem and factor theorem. Now, I am going to do some very important problems. Okay, how to find whether it is a factor or not, how to find the remainder, all those things I have already explained. Now, today I am just going to tell you some extra problems on remainder theorem and factor theorem. First, let me do from the textbook. Let me give you exercise number. I think we were doing 2.3, if I am not wrong. 2.3 we are doing it. Question number 3, very important. Question number 3, exercise 3.2.3 and question number 3. This is one of the important question. You can take 2.3 exercise, question number 3. No, maths. So, find the value of k, find k if x minus 1 is a factor of px. So, px is equal to x square plus x plus k. This is third question, first bit. Third question, first bit. So, now here find k if x minus 1 is a factor of px. So, now px is given x square plus x plus k. Okay. X square plus x plus k. Okay. So, now keeping that, we will use the factor theorem. If x minus 1 is a factor of px, then p1 is equal to 0. This is factor theorem. So, P1, let us find out. P1 is equal to, in the place of x, I have written 1. So, here also 1 square plus 1 plus k, which is equal to 0. So, 1 plus 1 plus k is equal to 0, and 2 plus k is equal to 0, and k is equal to minus 2. This is one of the very important question. Okay, if x minus 1 is a factor, then p1 is equal to 0. So, using p1 is equal to 0, you can find out x value. Let me do one more question. Copy. Along with me, you have to copy. So, only px is to be changed. Only px is to be changed. Second bit only I will do. 2x square plus kx plus root 2. So, only polynomial is changed. Rest of the problem is same. Okay. So then what happens? Again same thing. If x minus 1 is a factor of px, then p1 is equal to 0. This is for this 1 mark it will carry. If you don't write this, 1 mark or half mark. Now therefore p1 is equal to 2 into, in the place of x, in the given polynomial 1 is to be written, is equal to 0. Same thing. So 1 square is 1, 2 into 1 is 2, k into 1 is k plus root 2 is equal to 0. Keep k here and plus 2 going that side, minus 2 plus root 2 going that side, minus root 2. Don't add these two. 2 is rational, root 2 is irrational. Therefore, these two cannot be added. You can do only one thing, you can take minus common, 2 plus root 2. This is the value of k. So many students will write 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2. Wrong. Rational number, irrational number cannot be added. Okay. So there is only one bit. I think that bit you can do by yourself. So now I will take some extra problems because only 3 problems are there, but this concept is very, very important. I am using a book like this. This is Ratnasagar textbook of maths, like R.D. Sharma. I will give a question from that. Okay, a question from that. If x minus 1, this is, I will write example 1. If x minus 1 is a factor of a square x cube minus 4ax plus 4a minus 1. Find the value of a. Find the value of a. Okay, this is the question. So now, same thing, x minus 1 is a factor of x minus 1 is a factor of a square x cube 4ax 4a minus 1 is a very big polynomial. Procedure is same. So now write the rule. If x minus 1 is a factor of px. Now what is px here? This will become px. Okay. Then remainder is equal to, because minus 1 is there, p1 is equal to 0. So then p1, therefore p1 is equal to, in the place of x I should write 1. So a square, there is no change, a square into 1 cube, 4a same, in the place of x 1, 4a and minus 1. There are only 2 x terms, don't worry, there are only 2 x terms. So then is equal to 0. So this we will leave it. So 1 cube is 1 into 1 into 1, 1. So a square into 1, a square, minus 4a into 1, 4a, minus 4a, plus 4a, minus 1 is equal to 0. So minus 4a plus 4a will get cancelled. Therefore, a square minus 1 is equal to 0. So a square is equal to 1 and a is equal to square root of 1 plus or minus 1. This is the value of a. So this is an extra problem. Like this, say there are some in-depth problems are also there. I will do one more question on this only. Okay. I hope you have understood. Let me go to one more question on this. Example 2. Find k if x plus 2 is a factor of x plus 2 is a factor of 2x cube minus 9x square sorry 2x cube plus kx square plus x minus 10. Okay. So, this is one of the biggest question, same thing. So, let px is equal to 2x square 2x cube plus kx square plus x minus 10. So, if x plus 2 is a factor of px, then remainder is equal to p of plus 2 is there, here you will get minus 2 is equal to 0. This statement you have to write a very, very important statement. Okay. Therefore, p minus 2 is equal to 2 into, in the place of x, let us write minus 2, k into minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 minus 10 is equal to 0. In textbook only 3 problems are given, small problems are given, but you may be getting this type of bigger questions in the examination. There is no guarantee that you will be getting only from the textbook. That is why you have to do some extra problems, right? So, now this is minus 2 whole cube is minus 8, minus 2 whole square is just 4 plus 4, minus 2 into minus 2, this is minus 2. So, what happened? 2 into minus 8 minus 16, k into 4 4k, and plus into minus minus 2 minus 10 is equal to 0. So, now these constants. So, let me write 4k minus, all minuses are there, you have to add it. 28 is equal to 0 and 4k is equal to 28 and k is equal to 7. One of the important question. Okay. So, some more difficult problems are there, I do not think you need to do. Okay. So, with this I will stop my live class. So, in my next class I will be starting MCQs of polynomials or MCQs of number system. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.